Forest. It's the only forest within the city. So subscribe to Foka everywhere.
And more vlogs.
Yeah. You guys should come to Kenya.
We are still on our way to Karura Forest.
Actually, we are there.
We are there.
Yeah, we are there.
Oh,
This
okay.
It's part of Karura Forest.
Oh,
It starts from the gate
Alright.
and spreads like how many kilometers? How big it is, but it's quite big. Yes. Come with us.
So is there any wild animals around?
Well, back into there's a monkey actually. There's a monkey there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can see. I see.
You've seen it,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah. This one.
Back in 2019, a python was spotted. Was it a python?
Yes.
Yes, a python. Python was spotted in this
Python?
place. A python, yes, a big one. It was panicking. They said it was harmless unless it gets disturbed by people. It has never been spotted since that day. So it's somewhere in the forest. But
I wish to see it.
you can't see. You can't see. But there are impalas as well, gazelles. Maybe if you're lucky enough, you'll see them.
All right.
So this is Karura Forest. It's in Nairobi city. It's actually the only forest in the city, Nairobi city. So long time ago, some years, a couple of years ago, there was another lady called Wangari Maathai. Okay. Yeah, she's a Nobel Peace Prize winner. 2004. Yes, 2004. So she fought so hard for this forest. So it's like the government wanted to sell the land and to investors so that they build
Hotels and all that stuff.
yeah. So she used to come here and demonstrate, and she would be beaten by the police like that. Yeah. So I think that's the reason she won, but she died some years later. Yes.
What happened to her?
She was actually given a presidential, what do you call it? Presidential burial.
Really?
Yeah,
State burial.
State burial.
Yeah, I see a state barrier.
Yeah. So,
Oh, okay.
yeah. So
She died from
cancer.
May her soul rest in peace.
Yeah, she has a movement called Green Belt movement. So it's like for planting trees across the country and Africa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if it was not for her, this forest would not have been there. You guys wouldn't have seen it in
Like by
Foka's
now.
video. Yeah.
By now
And
it's
it's-
destroyed and
It's actually quite big, as it's 2,500 acres.
wow.
Yes.
So
You can imagine such piece of land full of trees, indigenous
Yeah, I
trees,
can see every.
in the middle of a city.
So what happens? The people living around this place are the diplomats, like people working different embassies,
Oh, okay.
and other rich people in Kenya. So they come here for jogging and walking their dogs like every day.
Every day. Like we saw earlier on.
So this is where people come and chill.
Oh, nice. It's a nice forest. Okay guys, now where are we heading to?
We're on our way to the waterfalls,
Okay.
to the caves. where the
The MAUMAU.
the MAUMAUs used to hide.
What's the MAUMAU?
The MAUMAU, I thought
MAUMAU,
it's freedom
fighters, yeah.
Oh, okay.
They fought for the freedom of this country.
Oh, okay.
So you will see some of the caves where they used to hide.
Oh.
That is if I have the correct information.
So how long from here to the waterfall?
It's like half a kilometer or something.
Yes,
It's not far. The waterfalls are just down below the forest.
Okay.
And that is where we are going. Yes.
So after a few kilometers of walking, so we just got to the waterfall.
Yeah, we just made it to the waterfall, as you can see.
It's inside Karura Forest, that is in Nairobi.
Yeah, it's in the city center, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's a good place to visit.
Yeah.
Because you get to rejuvenate your mind and get to let the stress go out of your head.
Yeah. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I don't know how to say it. Beautiful.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
So we continue with the Karura Forest tour. After the waterfall, we follow the trail to the great MAUMAU caves. These are the place where the MAUMAU used to hide during the fight for independence for Kenya. So the MAUMAU people are like the freedom fighters for Kenya. So this is where they used to hide, but the white men don't find them. Yeah. So a lot of history in this place and the independence of our country. So you can read here. So I hope you enjoyed the virtual tour in this video.
Yes, I do.
So, oh yes.
Okay, guys, this is Lily Lake, and it's also in Karura Forest, right? So we went to the waterfall, we explored around Karura, and we end it here. There are a lot of activities to do, but it's running out of time. We have to go for another project. So we'll end our video here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification button, and be part of the More Vlogs family and Faka Everywhere family. Thank you.
Subscribe. Thank you. See you.